Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you that how I made my thumbnails of my video. Okay, so let's get started. First, just go to Google and type canva.com. Okay, so it's loading. So my page is open, and when the page open, this page will ask you to sign in. So just sign in with your Google email, Google or Facebook. Okay, so then go to create a design. Okay, so and then search here YouTube thumbnail. Then this you have to click this YouTube thumbnail. Page will open and just choose your template. Like I can choose this. Wait. Let me choose. What? Okay, this. Okay. Okay, so let's just remove this and remove. Just edit this. Edit this. Okay, I will edit this. Remove it and just write the title of the video, like what should I write? Like making calculator in code.org. Wait, let me just resize it. Resizing it. Let's just do this. Okay. I think I just I have to fit the my heading. In this box, I will just write calculator. Yes. This is fine. Okay. Then I can just like I'll just just move it here, and I can just go to text and just do. I think it's good. Oh, it's very big, so let's resize it and Control A, and I here code.org and just resizing it. Okay. Just do this. Mommy. So resize it. Oh, what's okay? Yes. Okay. Making calculator code.org. Then you can just add upload your photos. Like I can just upload this, and we can just we can add elements also, like subscribe button. So some elements are only available in premium, so I am using the free ones. Like this is free, these are premiums. So it's blue. We can also change the color of the element, so I will just choose red because red is the used then just I can move it here. Okay, it's looking good. Like we can add more elements like yes, gradients. I love gradients. Like just put this here, take this and put this here. Okay, and take this, put this here. Then just take you can choose photos from here also, like I can choose this. Okay, wait, this is wait is it wrong? Okay, so just you can upload your photos. Then choose device, then like choose your image you want to choose. What should I choose? Like this calculator. Okay, like this. Okay, it's good, it's good, it's good. Okay, like this. And you can like go to photos and like here you can computer. Okay, so what should I choose? What should I like? I will choose this photo. Okay, choose this photo, resize it. What? Move it here, send to back. Bring send backward. I don't know. Wait, let me choose another. Wait. We can choose from elements. I think. Yes, background or photos. Like you can choose matrix. Choose this photo here and just why is it? I want to choose this. Bring to front. Yes, that's good. Wait, let me resize it. Resize. More resize. Then resize this also. Then and here. So this is your thumbnail. You can add like more elements to it, like button. This it's a gun. So where should I put it? Where? Let's put it here. And just change the color to white. Okay, like this. And then you can just download it. Okay. So I don't know, I'm having a problem in this Canva. Like I can't download it. It is saying that we have to pay for the premium, pay and download. But I have used nothing, premium elements, images, background. So you can also take the screenshot of what you make and just paste. You can just add that screenshot to your video thumbnail. So that's what I do. But if you don't have that problem, so you can just download it from here. Just download it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.